Fully bifolding doors, awning to store things like sports equipment, half enclosed, bifolding doors again, Daitan beach. On the roof you'll be able to see Wong, Shek, Pier. Refurbished totally throughout. We walk to the back of the house. We have a full bathroom with shower, bath, toilet. Bedroom 1, leading out into the side courtyard. A separate exit entrance of the maid's room here. It's quite big, with her own private wet bathroom. Coming back up to the front, we go upstairs, a single flight of nearly standard and polished solid teak floorboards leading out into a lovely open kitchen with living area. It's an overcast day, usually it's very bright here. Open island kitchen, large windows, floor to ceiling, showing the car park area, the little bridge over the river. Has a dishwasher, fridge, oven, separation sliding door for noise and smoke. Separates the kitchen and the living area. Bathroom, guest bathroom, toilet only. It's quite early in the morning, so the sun's not out yet. It's beautiful and sunny, usually. Still lights on. So we have bedroom 3 and 4 here. And bedroom 5 here. Ensuite. Coming up to the beautiful open rooftop. It's a semi-detached house, so it's got 2 70-degree views. It's vacant next door currently. Got driveway for visitor parking. There's 1 or 2 spaces available to park here. Front. Looking back down on the pavement. And out to Wong Shek Pier over there. They go sailboarding here, you can go kayaking. This is the vacant number 2 property here, and number 3 is at the end with the swimming pool. That is government land in front, the grass lawn. That's our ground floor courtyard. Has CCTV cameras on 4 sides. The neighbour's side, the front internal, front external, the car park area, and at the rear.